Hey guys, it's Alicia. Welcome back. Hope you are all doing well. Canva doesn't officially let you turn any font into a frame, so today I'm going to show you the workaround that actually works. I was able to make this adorable sun-kissed design. There are just so many options that you can do with this, and I think that it just would turn out and look cute with almost anything. The options are just absolutely endless. By the way, if you want this exact Canva frame template, I did add it to my Ultimate Design Vault, and I will have that linked below. You can use this on t-shirts, whatever it is that you want to use, and everything in my Design Vault comes with a commercial license. So let's head over to Canva. So I just wanted to create a square. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add a heading, and I am going to use an S. I'm going to do this 3 times. I'm going to show you this 3 different times by making the word sun. So you can use this for any font. I am going to say I will recommend that you only use Canva's free fonts, which they have several to choose from. I am going to go ahead and use Oswald. I like this one because it makes the S just a little bit skinnier, and this is exactly what I used for the design for Sunkist. I am going to share this. I'm going to download this with a transparent background and as a PNG. So now I'm going to head over here to Photopea, and I'm going to open the design that we just made over here with our letter. Now, step 1 is I want to make sure I'm in the layers panel over here. We're going to right click on this layer where it says background. We're going to right click. I'm going to go up here to the top and I'm going to click select pixels. Step 2, I'm going to go over here where it says paths. And down here, it's about the 4th one over, make sure it says selection to path. You're going to click on that just once. The next step is you're going to go up here to layers. You're going to go down here to vector mask, and you're going to click on current path. And you're going to see that it kind of outlines this in blue. The next step is you're going to go ahead and click File, Export as a PDF. So we want to make sure that we export this as a PDF. So I'm going to go ahead and click Save, and I want to make sure that this fully downloads because every once in a while this gets a little bit wonky and it'll start dropping things off. So now I'm going to head back over here to Canva. I'm going to go ahead and delete this. We're going to upload this PDF that we just created over here in Photopea, and once it uploads, I'm going to put it over here. This is where the fun is. I'm simply going to right click on this and click detach image, and here's our frame. So this is going to work on anything. This is going to work on any image. This is going to work on any font, anything. Back over here, and I'm going to add a capital U, and I'm going to change my font to Oswald, which is what I'm using for this project. The same thing here. I'm going to go ahead and download this with a transparent background and make sure it's a PNG, and we're going to download it. Another little trick to make this go a lot faster is you can simply double click on this and you can change it to your next letter, which is going to be an N. That's the one we're going to use. So now I'm going to head back over to Photopea and open up this next letter. And we're over here on our layers panel. We're going to right click. This is step 1. Right click, select pixels. Now we're going to click on paths, and we're going to go down here where it says selection to path. That was step 2. And the third step is to go up here to layer, go to vector mask, current path, and then now we are going to export this as a PDF. and click Save. We're going to click on Upload Files, and notice it throws it over here with designs and it's not in the image folder. So I'll go ahead and double click on this, and I'm going to right click and detach the image, and here is our U. One more. We're going to do the letter N, so I'm going to add capital N, change my font to Oswald, and I'm going to make this bigger. And we are going to download this as a PNG with a transparent background. Perfect. Now I'm going to head over here to Photopea, and I'm going to show you one more time how to do this. We're going to click on File, Open, click on the letter we just created. Make sure you're in the Layers panel and click on your background. We're going to right click, select Pixels. You're going to click on Paths. Go down here where it says Selection to Path. Just tap on it once. Now you're going to go up here to Layer, Vector Mask, Current Path. And then now we're going to download this as a PDF. Now we're going to head back over here to Canva. Go ahead and upload what we just created. Over here, Upload Files. And I'm going to click on this PDF here. And then once again, I'm going to right click on it, detach image, and I'm going to delete it. And here is our N. So perfect on that. Now, when you're making these letters one by one, I highly recommend that you click here on just add a page, and then you're going to keep going down, add a page every time you upload one. So for example, I'll go ahead and show you over here. I click on Upload. I'll click on the S, even though we've already done this. I'm just showing you here as an example. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this. This way you've got them all in a row. Add our detach the image, delete that, and then you've got everything all in one place. And then if you wanted to like make a design out of it, like I did with Sunkissed, you can click on Add a Page, and I right click. You can resize the page. If you want something landscape, I usually choose my 5,000 by 3,000. Let me make this smaller. So you can actually use different size pages as well whenever you're doing this. It makes it flow much easier. So I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next one.